It is almost 52 years that I'm in the field of education. And for the kind of information of the students, I would say that the whatever contest you are participating, I would say as a teacher, is the best. So this also helps the students on a large scale. Today, there is a cutthroat competition for education sector. It is a survival of the fittest. So every parent wants that their child should perform well. And they try to take help of all such extracurricular activities and other means where they get more knowledge, they become much more faster, and they can perform well because of this. Actually, is an international organization incorporated under the legislation of Government of India and based on the philosophy of human rights. We work for promotion of human rights and prevention of its violations in the society.
So you are the topper in Goa, and yes, in class 2, right? So you have won this prestigious prize, right? How do you feel?
I feel very nice about it.
Oh,
I felt very nice that I had got first rank in the national round.
so did you prepare much for this?
Yeah,
How was it? The preparation.
I studied around 2 letters a day every day on my holidays.
So do you go out for playing or all, like, or only spellings?
I did a lot of spellings, but I went out to play for some time every day.
What next you want to be?
I want to be a scientist.
Okay, and then how about this spell bees next level?
I'm participating.
Oh, so you're prepared.
Yeah,
All set.
yeah.
Okay.